Should be plenty of fuel still in it. Yeah, she's good. Go for it.
You want to ride mine?
Oh, sure. I pulled my key out. Yes, I did. Alright, yeah, let's, go cause trouble for the establishment.
Oh, God.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
That's a little different, man.
You're telling me. It's like the same thing on this. It's like, I feel like I'm riding a mini bike, you know? All hunched up.
Is this what you do, tiptoe shit?
When I gotta back it out, yeah.
Let's ride these around your neighborhood first.
Fucking A, baby. Yeah, just make sure you give it a little extra gas, because I'm sure she, it ain't gonna be nothing like this.
That's fucking different, dude. I'm gonna turn around down here and meet up with you.
Alright. Now your clutch is a lot of play.
Wow, I can't do turns like this on the fucking Honda.
Yeah, it's pretty ridiculous.
Fucker's loud as shit.
Yeah, it is.
It feels like I'm on a horse.
Oh my god. Oh my gosh, what is this thing?
What?
This thing is insane. Well, I haven't even tried to open it up, but like just the fact that my balls and scrotum and everything.
This is so different.
Oh my god. I don't know how you do this shit, man. Like seriously. This bike is I feel like I'm gonna pop the testicle. Yeah, I'm really getting used to the clutch. The clutch isn't engaged for fucking ever.
Yeah. I think I have it set to the most sensitive it can be, too.
Really?
Yeah, I'm pretty sure.
Pretty stupid easy on this bike though. Nothing like anything else I did.
How's it compared to this one?
Easier. Well, not that that bike is easy. You can throw it around and
It's
yeah.
so fucking light.
Yeah, you also feel the fact that it's light because of the suspension. Your bike is light as shit too, man.
Yeah. I think a lot of it for me is just the seating position. Like, it's so easy to turn the fucking handles on this thing.
Oh my gosh, I almost feel like I'm going to cramp a leg if I just feel like this. I feel like popping a wheelie, dude. Like, seriously, the amount of control is stupid. Oh my god. Oh! Unfold my leg. Oh my gosh. Like, I remember, you know, I sat on this damn thing in your garage so many times, but just trying to ride it, I'm like, oh, fuck!
This thing's bouncy, man.
Yeah, that thing's a lot of fun.
Bouncy as shit.
Where's the clutch? It's around there somewhere.
You'll find it. If you can't find it, grind it.
That's one nice thing about bikes. You really, I think you could grind a gear on a
You
bike.
can. I did it on the Ninja. You can. It's possible.
You just have to try.
Yeah.
Wow, I can see why people like to get these now. But my balls don't. I'm gonna go break some speed limits now.
It'll happen. Be careful, that fucking bike's got a lot of power.
Honestly though, I'm not feeling an insane burst. I have to run it up too high.
As soon as you get past about 7 grand, that's when it starts to pick up.
Oh really?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm down for around 5 or 6.
Just don't pay attention to the vibrating, that's normal.
I'm only feeling engine vibration. My ass isn't really picking up much.
When you take it up to 7 grand, you're going to start feeling vibrations. Basically, when you start feeling a lot of vibrations in your ass, That's how you know you're starting to hit the power band.
Gotcha. Seriously though, I feel like I'm on a mini bike.
What, like a Grom?
Yeah. Oh, there it is. Yeah, I got you. Maybe. I don't feel any of the road either. Like there's so little feedback. Which is surprising given the amount of suspension that's on this thing. But at the same time it makes sense. I mean, this bike is it's only slightly heavier than what you're on right now, the 250.
Is there a lot of squeaking coming from the front end on this thing usually?
There's a noise on it. I have yet to identify it.
You hear yours?
Yeah.
Is this thing at 5 or 6 speed? Oh, okay.
Put me off.
I don't think so.
The hand was like at a weird angle. Oh my god. I can only imagine how my back is going to be if I did this full time.
See, with me it's the exact opposite. My back does not bother me at all when I ride that thing. If I have pains in my lower back.
My elbows are on my thighs right now. My face is too big for this bitch. This cannot be the normal riding condition. Like I'm trying to hunt down, but holy Jesus, my torso is too fucking large. I don't know normally where this thing likes to be on the turn. I guess I could probably turn.
First is basically a granny gear on this thing.
Yep. That bike is unbelievably forgiving.
Yeah, I've noticed.
Basically do what you want with it, and it'll just keep going back and forth.
Yeah.
Another thing I kind of like is how much pressure I can put on the handlebars without noticing any actual effect. This thing is okay on gravel. I don't know if I want to take it back. I would not imagine it would be.
I've done it. But
Yeah. I can barely get that clutch going as it is. Oh, it's like way down there. That's awesome. Oh, I should take this thing back there.
fucking thing's got low battery.
Goodbye.
Oh, yeah, I hear it.
Just shut off.
Ah, shit. It's fun, though. Holy shit. Corners are easy. You're just so damn tight in here. Like, there's my elbow, there's my knee. And it doesn't go anywhere.
Yeah, yours is definitely fun to ride.
Yeah. You gotta take it off-road or, like, go over curves and shit. And it's just... You can just go anywhere with it. And, of course, it's loud as fuck.
The height on it really isn't much of a problem for me either.
Yeah, and it takes terribly long to get used to. Especially once you realize how easy it is to go left and right and back and forth. Worth the money just to fuck around on, holy crap. Yeah, this thing needs an exhaust bad, because just got so little feedback from it. Gotta wait for the feel.
I like your clutch lever. definitely see the appeal to these, though. I'd love to get one eventually, but man, that's just more money to spend. With that being said, I could get one of these for about $2 to $3 grand used. You know, one of these, or a Kawasaki 250 or a Honda 250. They're all roughly about the same price, but the benefit of these Yamahas is they're fuel injected. And I love fuel injection on bikes. And I wouldn't balk too much if it was a carburetor, but it's a definite selling point. He's liking that thing, though, that's for sure. I knew he would. My bike, I can do 50 miles an hour in first gear easy, and you know, it's not a big deal, but this thing I'm already in third or fourth. But again, it's not really made for it. What I'd like to do with this eventually, we don't have time today, but what I'd like to do with it eventually is take it out on some dirt, see how it does, see how I enjoy it. Bike is like my buddy was saying, it's just so forgiving. The clutch is so easy to, it's not so sensitive like the one on my bike is. There's a lot more forgiveness to it. It's kind of hard to describe, but I mean, it's a really easy bike to just pick up and learn how to ride it. Probably make a really good beginner bike as well. But he's got the FMF full exhaust on it, which actually I believe eliminates the cat as well. So that probably frees up a little bit more power for him. So yeah, this thing it's so much fun to ride. Comfortable, really bouncy. Definitely a lot taller than mine.